Hello, and welcome to Aptrof, where we talk everything related to mobile marketing. So tell me, what if the only thing standing between your app and 5x conversion is the link that you're using? Not the campaign, not the creative, the link. Because in the world of mobile apps, if you are not using deep links or retargeting smartly, you're probably losing more users than you think. Today, we are talking about Unilink, Aptrof's deep linking engine, and how pairing it with smart retargeting can unlock massive growth of your application. Sounds interesting? Let's get into it. Now, deep linking is like the GPS for your app. It doesn't just open that, it takes users directly to the specific stream. It can be a product page, discount stream, cards, post login offers, or invite-based rewards. Use cases are limitless. With Unilink, Aptrof's deep linking solution, this journey becomes frictionless and smooth, even if the app isn't installed yet. That's called deferring. It means a user can click an eye, install the app, and land on the exact same screen they're intending to visit without losing the context. Unilink also supports platform-agnostic lanes, fallback handling when app isn't available, and contextual logics like user segmentation, campaign source, and time sensitivity. It's built for the marketers who want relevance, results, and reporting. That's how you improve the marketing game. Let's move to retargeting now. You know it, you have used it, but here's what many get wrong. Retargeting without deep linking is like texting someone come back without letting them know where to go. Say a user abandons checkout. You run a Facebook ads reminding them to complete their purchase. They click and land on your app's homepage, but guess what? You just lost the money. But combine the same retargeting campaign with Unilink, now the user clicks and lands to the right on their cart with their selected items pre-filled. Retargeting creates intent. Deep link and what's it? Picture this, a user taps on your Instagram ads, sees a great offer, installs your app, and then lands on the homepage, completely disconnected from the product they clicked. Now they're confused, they bounce. That's your budget wasted. This is what we call a broken user journey, and it happens way more often than it should. Modern app users expect one thing, relevance. They want to land on exactly what they tapped on, and if they don't, they leave. Deep linking fixes that, but it has to be done right. Now let's take a real-world use case. One of the food delivery giants in the European region have been using our platform. Their team was struggling to track campaigns from Facebook and Instagram, and they had users clicking, but the journey broke after the install. Then came Unilink. By integrating deep linking into their campaigns, they were able to A. link directly from ads to in-app product pages, track campaign performance end-to-end, and retarget users with personalized journeys. That's not magic, it's Unilink plus attribution plus retargeting, all in one fee. Now they aren't alone. Aptrof powers deep linking, attribution, campaign optimization for dozens of high-growth apps across food delivery, e-commerce, fintech, edtech, entertainment, and gaming. They trust Aptrof to help them pay, unify data across channels, improve user journeys, and to maximize campaign ROI. Now that's no campaign gone right. Here's why Unilink is more than just a deep linking tool. Single link any platform. Unilink works everywhere, from web to app to app, and SMS to app. Deferred plus contextual. Even if the app isn't installed, users are redirected to the post-install to the right screen. Attribution built-in. Track which links, campaigns, or sources led to the conversions. Smart fallbacks. If the app isn't installed or the deep screen fails, users are guided to the backup stream you choose. No code campaign creation. Marketeers can build, launch, and test links, but no development teams are required. And when paired with Aptrof's retargeting integration, Unilink becomes your growth engine. Now, with the help of Unilink, you can run high-intent ad campaigns that lands directly on in-app product pages, retargeting users who dropped off and bring them back exactly where they left, personalized onboarding experience post-install, use QR codes for offline to app journeys like coupons or event check-ins, and track campaign performance from impression to in-app actions. Isn't that great? You're not just making users anymore, you're guiding them with the purpose, data, and precision. And competitive app landscape, that's your edge. This is deep linking done right. This is Aptrof for you guys. So if you're tired of broken funnels, drop off after installs, low ROS on mobile campaigns, then it's time to stop leading users to dead ends and start guiding them with Unilink by Aptrof. Start your free trial today at Aptrof or book a 1:1 demo to see how top performing apps are using Unilink to connect clicks with conversions. Find the links in the description. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, Stay tuned with AppPro by our social media. We are always sharing the latest on smart mobile. Stay tuned. Cheers.